and welcome to Cox Local Edition on CNN Headline News. I'm Catherine Falk with Cox Communications. Thank you so much for joining us today. We have a special guest, Tim Hugo, who is the Executive Director of the Free File Alliance when he's not doing his other job in the House of Delegates in Virginia. Thanks for joining us, Tim.
Well, Catherine, thank you for having me today.
Tell our viewers what the Free File Alliance is.
The Free File Alliance is a public-private partnership that 20 companies have put together with the IRS, whereby you go through irs.gov, their website, and you can get a free federal tax return. We make it eligible to 70% of American taxpayers. That's 98 million Americans that are eligible to use it. And over the last 7 years that we've been in business, over 25 million people have come to Free File Alliance at irs.gov and gotten a free federal tax return.
Wow, that sounds terrific, but it's really free?
It's really free. You come on, you don't have to buy a thing. We don't sell refund anticipation loans or anything. You come on, and what happens, you go through, it's a secure site. We have testing through the IRS. We have our own testing. We have a form of security analysis with the government that does all our testing. And it's very safe. You come on, you file your information, hopefully you get your tax return even quicker, and it's really easy to do. The thing is, you can do it 24/7. You can do it 3 a.m. in the morning or weekends, Saturday and Sundays. Anytime you want.
So how would somebody go about doing this? Where would they find it? And is it a step-by-step, walk you through it process?
Sure. What you do is you get online, go to irs.gov, and you will see Free File. It's a big icon. It says, hey, do you want to file your taxes free here? And what you'll do, there will be a list of 20 companies. It'll list what each company does. Some of them do particular states. Some of them do people that are 50 and under. So there's a niche for everybody. Everybody's covered. We also do it in Spanish too. We have a number of companies cover Spanish. That's, I think, very useful for us. And you go on there, and it helps you work its way through and pick a company that's just right for you. And you can be done with doing your taxes in a half hour while you're sitting there in your fuzzy slippers in your living room.
So you really do it all online, the whole process?
It's all online. Everything's online. You go through, and like I said, I think people will enjoy it and find it a pleasant experience. In fact, we had, not the Free File Alliance, but the IRS has done surveys over the last couple years. And what they found each year is that about 95% of the people would recommend the Free File Alliance to their friends, that they had a great experience on it. And so it's safe, it's secure, and it's easy to use. Most important, it's free.
Yeah, and remind us of the eligibility for this.
Well, right now, what we have, it covers 70% of the American public. And so that's anybody that makes under $56,000 a year is eligible to go on Free File and get a totally free return. We also have another process where if you're a little more familiar with tax returns and how to do it, it's a simple kind of electronic papers, we call it. It's called the fillable forms. Anybody, no matter what your income level is, can use that, but you need to be a little more cognizant on how to use these tax returns, a little more comfortable with the tax code.
So anybody who makes below $56,000 can get a free federal filing?
Absolutely, and many of our companies will also give you a free state return too. So this is a good deal. We've noticed times are a little bit hectic, a little bit hard in this economy. We think this is a good service, and again, it's a public-private partnership we've had going on for 7 years now. And I think people enjoy it, and I hope they come to irs.gov and look for the Free File Alliance.
That's great. Totally free tax forms and filing at irs.gov, and look for the Free File Alliance.
That's it.
Great. Well, we really appreciate you being here to tell our viewers about this wonderful service.
Thank you for having me today.
Absolutely. And thank you for joining us on Cox Local Edition on CNN Headline News. Have a great day.